Hello, everybody. For this assignment, I am asking you to make one secret code type message. And then for the next assignment, number 7, I am asking you to do the same. So this will be the same video in both assignments. I'm going to remind you of secret coded puzzles that I made online for the introductory escape room and show you how I made those. All right, so first, here is a shape code cipher type puzzle that I made, and I made it at this website. So if you go to online resources for creating puzzles page, and it is the first one, actually. And when you go there, it's very easy to do. You just title it, you put your secret message, and then you have this coded key down here for your students, and it puts it into a code for you up here. It changes it into a code right here. Then once you get your code, what I did for you guys, which you can do as well, I took what's called a selected screenshot, which means I just selected this portion and saved it as a screenshot, which is an image. It's usually a JPEG when you save a screenshot. And then I also took another screenshot of just the code key. I selected only this portion and created another image to use in my puzzles. Then it looks all clean and nice, and you can change the size, and you can download the secret puzzle, which is what I did, and then I actually took my screenshots from this downloaded secret puzzle. So if you don't know how to take selected screenshots, that means you're not taking a screenshot of your entire screen. It means that you're taking a screenshot for just what you select. So watch my screen very carefully. I am going to do the focus for this. So for my Dell laptop, and I don't know if it's the same from you, if I hold down Shift, Windows, and S, this happens. What you see here at the top of my screen, and you see this little crosshair, you click where you want to start the screenshot, you drag it over, and you let go. And when you do that, this pops up, and you actually have to click on it. And then right here, you have to hit the Save As button. And then you can name it so you can find it easier. It saves it as a ping. Let's see if you can change it to a JPEG. You can. You can change it to a JPEG if you wanted to. And then you save it. Just know where you're saving it when you do that. Okay. I don't want to save this one because I don't need it. It's not a real code for me. Okay. So, I don't want to focus anymore. There. All right. So that's how I did that puzzle. Now, remember, I had another puzzle. And it was in Target the Enemy. And I will show you where I made this puzzle. And again, I took screenshots of the puzzle to use on the Jamboard so that you guys could use a pen and Jamboard and cross off. You have to have images in Jamboard, and then I also took a screenshot of the Morse code cipher for the Morse code puzzle that I made for you, which is a coded puzzle. All right, So with that in mind, let me first show you the Morse code. Remember, the Morse code puzzle for you guys was on the Meet Your Instructor page, and it was down here. And then I put the cipher down here. This was done with a screenshot. All right, let me show you how I did the Morse code. Morse code generator right here. It's so easy to use and it's free. I like this one. There are several others. It gives you some instructions right here. So you type your word or your phrase that you want coded, and then look, you can play it and listen to it and pause it and stop it and repeat. You can do it with sound. Let me give you a example. Heidi ho, good neighbors. So you could do regular Morse code, or you can do this light thing. Be careful though, some students have issues with that. So you could do sound or light, and then you can download it. And when you download, it'll download it as a WAV file, which can be uploaded to almost anything that you're using. So that's how you use the Morse code creator. Okay, so this is how I made the word search puzzle that I just showed you with, and then I took screenshots of it. I went to Discovery Online Puzzle Maker, which is a really nice puzzle maker for different kinds of, mainly paper puzzles, but this one I turned into an online puzzle by using Jamboard. And you probably could do that with some of these other puzzles. You just need a way for students to be able to use a pen to write on these kind of puzzles. So any of these puzzles, you could take a screenshot of and use it on Jamboard like I did in your introductory escape room. So you go down here, if you want to make a word search one, you go down here to hidden message and you click on that puzzle type. And then you just follow the directions. So here is the message that you would want hidden. And then you put in the words that they have to find. And I had to play around with this a little bit till I got it like I liked it. So you would view your puzzle, and then if it had too many leftover letters, or you didn't, or you thought it was too big, or you thought it was too small, you can just kind of play around with this until you get it like you like it. And then once it creates the puzzle, I took 3 screenshots of my puzzle. I took the part where you cross off words as you find them. I took a screenshot of that. I took a second screenshot of the list of words that they needed to find in the word search. And then I took a screenshot of the blanks of the secret message to help out. And I had that on the Jamboard. Now, in case you've never worked with Jamboard before, I will do another video showing you how to upload your screenshots to Jamboard to set that up. And you would do that. You would want to do that with any of these puzzles that students needed to mark on digitally. You could use Jamboard, which is another Google free application. So I'll do that in a second video if you need it. Some of you may already know how to use Jamboard. So as long as you upload your image and place that on the Jamboard, you just tell them how to do it by using a pen or showing them how to do it in a video. Okay, so let me just make sure. I think that was all I was going to show you. Yes, You can also create your own coded puzzles, and I will show you that how to do that as well in another video. So how to make your own cipher, I guess is what I'm saying, so students can figure out. You can put like different symbols in the cipher. You can put different emojis in the cipher, and I'll show you the easiest way to make a cipher in another video as well.